Hey there, everybody, and welcome back to another month here in Teach Them Diligently 365. In September, we are going to take a look at Christian parenting, and we're going to look at the train up mandate that we are given, but the promise that goes along with that has been just really encouraging to me as I have studied it. So I'm very excited for what the Lord is teaching me as I am preparing these lessons each week. And I also hope that as we look at train up a child in the way he should go, as we look at teaching them diligently, as we really take apart the different elements of Christian parenting this month, I hope that your heart will be encouraged, that any fear that may be within you, that nagging sensation of you can't do it, will just be banished. And I hope that we will all together put our eyes squarely on the one who can, and that we will rest in his promise for us as Christian parents when we do it his way. So make sure that you do not miss a week. I really look forward to hanging out with you, and then hopefully at the end of the month we can have a get together virtually and talk about some of the things that the Lord is teaching each of us as we teach our children diligently. Teach Them Diligently is here to support your family's homeschool and discipleship efforts year-round. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to get fresh content every week to encourage your heart in your efforts.